Hey everybody, it's Becca J. Welcome back to my channel. I'm excited about today's ordeal. We're doing slimes. I was on Etsy, ordered mystery box slimes for my daughter, and we got Sleazy Slime. So let's go ahead and take a look. This first one is a spoonful of hot cocoa. And you open it and it's got like the marshmallows in it. And it smells exactly like hot chocolate. And it's so good. Yes. I added a little bit of activator because now it's been sitting for a little bit, but it's still real soft, real stretchy, real poppy. This next one is sugar cookie milk. Ooh, and you can see the confetti looking stuff. Yes. It smells so good. It does. It smells exactly like a sugar cookie getting dipped in some milk. It's just a creamy smell. It's really good. It's not sticky. I don't have to activate this one. And it's poppy. And not sticky. This next one is called Very Berry. And it smells so good. It smells like a Jolly Rancher. Oh, it smells so good. It stretches real nice. It's not sticking to me. Yes. Cleans up. It doesn't pop, but it's a different kind. It's like, I don't know. It's just, it's beautiful. I don't know the different kinds of slimes. I'm sorry. So, my apologies if it's cringy for you. This next one is Cotton Candy Gloss. Yes. Right out of the jar. It's beautiful. It's not sticking to my fingers. I love the popping. I love this one. And it smells so good. It smells just like cotton candy. I love it. Love it. And easy cleanup. The next one we have is Vanilla Funfetti Chip. Yes. So thick. So soft. Like, I don't have to stretch it out too much. It is just ready. It's a handful too. It's a big glop. It smells so good. Okay, the last one and the biggest one is strawberry milk. Yes. And it's just, oh, it's so soft. It's just like, it's creamy. It's a handful too. It's beautiful. Yeah. Oh. I love this one. I like all of them. And no sticky residue. Okay, so let's get to the part to where she opens everything up and you can just, oh. Okay, let's get to it.
Cheese.
Cheese.
Yay, 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 yay.
Is it male?
Yay, yay.
What's in the box?
I have What is it? What is this?
A squishy.
Well, I like squishies. What else? But this slime?
Yes.
All this slime?
Yeah.
Who made these?
It's called Sleazy Slime.
Sleazy Slime? Thank you for my squishies.
Get it out.
This is so disgusting. So disgusting. Ew. Ew. Get it off.
Look.
What? What is it? Ah! Get.
Smell it.
What does it smell like?
Grapes.
Ah! Can't get it off the table. Ah! It smells good. White.
Yeah.
White.
Open it up.
I can't. My hands are so sticky. White. Ah, don't die. It's so sticky this time. I didn't have slime yet. Yuck. Yuck.
Somebody made that.
Who was it?
Sleazy Slime.
Ugh. It's so squishy. I love it. So stretchy, stretch, and stretchy. I don't have muddy yet. I don't have rainbow slime yet. Squish, squishy.
Smells good too. Did you smell it?
This donut smells good.
Okay, let's get this brown one.
Ah, brown. It's the cap on it.
Smell it.
It's all bubbly.
I know.
I don't know how to touch it.
Yeah, I'll get it out.
God. Ew. So. So sticky. Stretch. Squish. Stretch again. Stretch again. I can smell it. It has blue in there. More slime, more slime, more slime. I want more slime.
This one's going to be just like that.
Ah! Give me the slime.
This one's not too bad.
Get.
There you go.
Got it. So squishy.
Did you smell it?
It smells like blueberry.
It smells like cotton candy.
Nah, I thought it smelled like cotton candy.
Yeah.
Some of it's bubbly, it's all of it's bubbly. I'm saying cheese again.
Okay.
Cheese!
Cheese. Okay, open up the pink one.
Stick it to the lid. A little bit need help. It's got in my hand. Ah! I got a little bit. A bunch? That's a bunch of slime.
Okay.
And then I can squish it.
Yeah, now you can play with it.
Yeah. 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 Thank you.
You love your slime?
Yeah. Who bought these? Who made it?
Sleazy Slime.
Silly Slime? That's a good name.
Now we can...
Stretch it and do that. This is fun. Aunt Angela, you made slime. September at Angela, you do slime.
Yeah. Maybe we can give some of this to Angela, huh?
Oh, yeah. I'm not done yet.
You can go play.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. It's dripping, drippy, drippy, drippy.
Say, see you next time.
See you next time with slime this time. With toys.
Say bye.
Bye. I really want to say cheese.
Mm-hmm.
Thank you for the Coke. For the drink, the spare Coke. Wow. Cheese.
Spin it around.
Crash the donut. Crash the donut. Crash the donut. Ah! Two of them do it. One. Whoa. This is awesome. Stop! It still can do that.
Spin around. And I don't know why, but like the slimes were good when I was testing them, and then when she got a hold of them, it was just a mess. I don't know if it's because her hands are smaller and she just, I don't know, but they're not. I don't know why they were so messy for her.
Good job, Mom.
Don't forget, click, like, subscribe.